7 local train. The next stop is 46th Street.
Clear the closing doors, please.
This is the part 3 of our R188 7 train video. 452nd Street, Lincoln Avenue. To 46th Street. And I'm going to record it all the way to 40th Street.
Well, I know that it was supposed to be, but I don't want to.
This is 46th Street.
So I guess it's wise what a way to from them to do it.
They're only going to test it for 30 days.
Yeah.
So they're going to be gone for December 8th and they're going to come back on May 2014. So they're going to build another set for Yonkers.
30 days test, 24 hours a day.
30 days for random view.
This is a Manhattan.
I don't know why they don't want to use the converter set. They just use the official one.
And clear of the closing
Because
doors,
like there's like
please.
an odd couple car like $78.99 on the 72 series, 7200 series.
They're not gonna run that set anytime soon.
Doesn't make any, and then they're gonna put this one over there behind me on the 6 train. It's an old school car. So they had to take out the 1900 couples. Yeah, but that's gonna take years. Doesn't make any sense though.
I don't think they're going to 60 seconds. They're going to 60. I have a feeling.
They're gonna take it for the 6. They're gonna take the new ones for the 6.
But they're not going to take all of them.
Not all of them, but just like few of them.
That's right.
So they're gonna make it all the way to 800 series. So they cannot make it that long. That's true.
This is a Manhattan Fast 7 local train. The next stop is 33rd Street.
You can take us to the last stop.
And clear of the closing doors, please.